Watch time is a relatively new metric on Instagram Reels, and it's a real game changer when it comes to your success with Reels. This is because when your audience invests their time in your videos, it signals trust, appreciation, and undivided attention. And in the vast world of online content, these factors are worth their weight in gold. And when it comes to the average watch time of a reel, the longer that duration, the more the algorithm will love you, because it signals to the algorithm that you are giving people real value in your content, as you are keeping them on the platform for longer. Therefore, when viewers watch the majority of your reel, so if they watch it in full or even re-watch it over again, this will boost your video's visibility, making it more likely to appear on the explore pages or as suggested and recommended content. Well, hello organic growth. So if you have published a 30-second reel, for example, and it has not performed as well as you'd hoped, you should take a look at the average watch time of that reel. If you see the average watch time is only 3 to 5 seconds out of a total 30-second reel, then you've pretty much lost your viewers at the start. And if this is the case, you want to be analysing that reel. So asking yourself, why didn't people stay around? Was it because you were unclear what your video was about? Did you waffle at the start or take too much time to get to any good stuff? Was it just a bad piece of content? Now, don't be afraid to admit that if it was, because honestly, we have all been there. It's really important to analyse when the watch time is low to prevent it from happening again in the future. So what can you do to make that content better the next time round? And actually, do you need to try and create shorter reels to see if that makes a difference in your overall watch time? But on the other hand, if you have a reel that's 30 seconds long and the average watch time is 20 seconds plus, then it's very likely that post will perform well, and that is amazing. But again, analyze that good performing reel. What made it work so well? How did you keep people on your video content? And how can you replicate that over and over again for continued success? Okay, so now you know the importance of watch time on your reels. Here's some things you can do to improve watch time and maximize your reel results. Just quickly though, if you are new to my channel and would like to grow your business online so that you have more impact, income and freedom in your life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button right now. And for daily Instagram tips, follow me over there at the Leah Buckingham. Okay, so number one is focusing on creating high quality, valuable and engaging videos that resonate with your target audience. And I know you hear this over and over again, but understand their pain points, their interests, their desires, and make sure you tailor your content to address those needs. If you are doing everything else I'm telling you in this video, but your content is poor, then that isn't going to cut it. Yes, you can do all the tips, the tricks and all the expert advice out there, but ultimately it does come down to your content. So first and foremost, think about your audience and what they want from you. So number two is consider your video length and experiment with different durations to find what works best for your content and what keeps your viewers engaged throughout the entire video. And always make sure to keep your videos concise and to the point with no drawn out waffle. Now, some creators swear by reels that are only approximately 7 seconds in length, and that's often because they can't keep people's attentions any longer than that. And yes, I myself have had a lot of success with shorter reels averaging from 7 to 15 seconds for that reason. However, a number of my more viral reel videos recently have been ones that are 30 to 60 seconds in length. And that's because I've managed to keep my viewers interested and wanting to stick around to watch the rest of the duration of that video, which is a massive tick for the Instagram algorithm because I am keeping people on the platform for longer consuming my content. Now, number three is making sure you hook the viewers in from the start and grab their attention within the first few seconds of your video. You literally have the first 3 seconds, if even that, to make an impression. So start with an intriguing hook, a captivating visual, or an enticing question that piques their curiosity and wants them sticking around. Now, number four, use call to actions in your reel videos, but also in the captions too, to encourage further engagement, such as asking viewers to like, to comment, to share your video. These actions not only increase engagement, but also signal to the algorithm that your content is valuable. Plus, the percentage increase of people taking action on your content just because you've simply asked them to is immense. So don't waste the opportunity for something so simple and quick to add. Okay, so number 5, this is a biggie because so many people don't do this, and it can have a huge impact on your account, which is actively engaging with your viewers and responding to comments. But when you do this, try and ask questions and encourage discussions where you can and where it's relevant. So don't do it for the sake of it. But this interaction not only builds relationships with your audience, but it also signals to the algorithm that your content is generating engagement, which could lead to it being pushed out there even further. And number 6 is to regularly review your reel analytics to identify what is working well and areas for improvement, and adjust your content strategy accordingly. So if you have a reel that's gone viral in the past, try recreating it a few months later, or even reposting the original video to see if it does well again. Not every one of your followers sees your content, so don't be afraid to repost some reels that have done well in the past. Just leave some time in between posting. And remember, building a loyal and engaged audience, it takes time and consistency. So by consistently providing valuable, high quality content, optimizing your videos, and actively engaging with your viewers, you can steadily improve watch time over time, which will improve your results and your overall success on the platform. Now, the doors are currently open for my Real Impact online course, which shows you step by step how to grow your own following and build your business online through Instagram Reels. So I will leave a link in the description below now. And if you would also like help with your Instagram marketing, I will also put the links in the description of how you can work with me. Okay, so let me know in the comments if you have found this video useful, and also what else you need help with when it comes to your social media marketing.